Hello, welcome back to Vermin Control Scotland. So it's another daytime rat control video. But as you can see here, I've got a new air rifle and it was sent directly from Taipan. It's a Taipan Slash and it's a self-indexing air rifle. Some people do describe it as a semi-automatic. That's not strictly true, but as it says, you've seen the videos that I put up, it does allow for very fast second shots and third shots, etc. So 12 shot magazine. You can hear the rats there. Get over there in a minute. But as I said, yeah, what it's allowed me to do, I'm really happy at the moment. So I'll keep you updated and we'll get more footage and more outings with it. Quick rundown. Got the Man Billy carbon fibre tripod system. A lot of people have used them. Used them for a good couple of years now. Really happy. Rifle itself again, Taipan Slash 22, sub 12. On top here is the Hawk Sidewinder, and in here I've got the Sports Match quick detachable mounts that were sent out directly. And as I said, these chaps have actually sponsored the channel, so I'm really happy with that. Up here I was sent this from ScopeMate, and it's a ScopeMate S28. It's a digital scope cam. It's got the wee display up here that allows you to see what's happening through the scope, get the proper focus. This is why you use this scope, get a good picture, clear picture. It's not always the easiest, not so much because of any of the kit, just rats in the daylight, they're not always wanting to hang around for much long, so it is quite fast shooting. But as this setup here, you've seen in the other videos on my channel, I've done a lot of rat control during the day. This is obviously the time of year to do that when you can, and I hope you enjoy the video. I'll stop talking and we'll get straight back into the action. Alright, thank you. So thank you very much for watching, really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video. As I said, there'll be plenty more footage and outings with this rifle. As you've seen in the video there, deadly accurate and very fast when it comes to the second, third, fourth and sixth shot. What this rifle's really impressed me, and yeah, I'm glad that I have it. Okay, if you could like, comment or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. And let me know how you like the rifle. And also other videos, if you comment and like them. Also, if you just let me know what type of content you're on. I'm going to do a lot more rabbit control. I'm going to be using different rifles, different optics, thermal, etc. So I just want to say thank you very much. Take care.